Dear Sherry, do you need to decarb the cannabis first when making topicals? Thank you. Well, that's a great question, a short question, but a great question. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos. Also, if you like my I Heart Weed shirt, that's available on my website, along with lots of other fun cannabis designs. I'll put a link in the comments below. Okay, back to this week's question. Do you need to decarboxylate your cannabis when making topicals? You can, but it's not absolutely necessary. And to be honest, most times I don't, for a couple of different reasons. One, your cannabis will be pretty much decarbed. I mean, maybe not as maximum potency, but a lot of it will decarb in the process of infusing your carrier oil, which is usually how we make topicals. We infuse the carrier oil and then use that to make balms and salves and bath soaks and all kind of things. So a lot of it is going to decarb, so I don't usually bother. The other reason I don't usually bother is both THC and THCA, the acidic form of that cannabinoid, along with CBD and CBDA, all of them have medicinal properties, especially topically. So I don't mind if I have a fair amount of THCA or CBDA in there, along with the THC and or CBD. So that's why I don't usually bother to decarb when making topicals. You can, but you don't have to. If you're not familiar with making topicals, I have a full online course about them. I'm going to put a link in the comments below, as well as a coupon code, so check that out. It will show you how to make your own pain-relieving salves, bath bombs, face oils, lip balms, all kind of topicals. It'll show you how to make them at home for a fraction of what you can buy them for at the dispensary, so check that out. But the short answer is no, you don't absolutely need to decarb when making topicals. You can, but I usually don't. Hope this helps. See you all next time.